Hello, welcome. In this lesson is all about event delegation. Welcome to this module in event delegation in JavaScript. In this lesson, we'll explore what event delegation is, understand its benefits, and see some real-world examples of how it's used in web development. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to implement event delegation to make event handling more efficient. Event delegation leverages the concept of event public, where an event propagates from the target element up to the root of document. Instead of adding individual event listener, multiple child elements, we attach a single event listener to common parent element, handling events for all its children within one handler. Benefits of event delegation. Event delegation offers several benefits. It improves performance by reducing number of event listener, lower memory usage, and simplify the code management by centralized event handling logic. This is especially useful when dealing with dynamic context where elements are frequently added or removed. Let's break down how event delegation works with simple example. We'll use list of item. Instead of attaching a click event to each item, we'll attach it to the parent list item in our event handler. We'll determine which item is clicked using the event target property. Here's the example, the HTML structure of a list. Then implement the event delegation in JavaScript. Observe how we use the event object's target property to identify the click item. Here. One of the powerful aspects of event delegation is its ability to handle dynamic elements seamlessly. Since the event listener is attached to the parent element, newly added child element will automatically be handled without additional code. While event delegation is powerful, it's important to follow best practice. Choose appropriate parent element that encompass the dynamic children. Filter the event efficiently to handle only the relevant ones, and avoid unnecessary delegation where direct event listen might be more appropriate. Be aware of common pitfalls when implementing event delegation, such as not filtering event correctly or attaching listener to inappropriate parent elements. We'll also cover some debugging tips to help you troubleshoot issue effectively. In summary, event delegation is powerful technique for efficient event handling in JavaScript. We cover its concept, benefits, implementation, and best practice. For further reading, check out the resources provided. Don't forget to practice with the exercise to enforce your learning. Thank you for this lesson on event delegation.